Hi, Bill Parliament from RadicalMarketingSolutions.com, and this is episode 23 of the X's and O's of SEO. And today I'm going to share with you how to create a successful link profile for your website. As you're probably aware, building links to your website, both external backlinks, meaning links coming from other third-party sites to your website, and internal link building, meaning links that are within your site, so you have one page that links to another. Link building is very, very important in order to get higher rankings in the search engines, and it's still one of the best ways to use your time when running your SEO campaign. So today I'm going to share with you how to build a successful link profile so that you don't get penalized by Google and you get the best possible rankings in the search engines. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to remember when starting any type of link building campaign, whether that's link building, external link building from other sites or internal link building sites, is you want to use the proper anchor text when linking to those pages. And an anchor text link is, and I've mentioned this before, an anchor text link is the blue highlighted text, the hyperlink text that you can click on that takes you from that link to the page where you're linking to. So that's the first thing that you want to remember. Now, when using your anchor text, creating your anchor text links, it's important to give Google and the other search engines, some sort of clue as to what that link is all about. So for that reason, it's really important to include your keywords in the anchor text link. So I have an example of a website here, and I'm going to use a website that I own. It's called plrarticleshub.com, and on that site I sell lots of different private label rights articles. Private label rights means you can buy those articles and basically do anything you want with them. But this site is an excellent example of how you want to sculpt your site and then how you want to do your link building. So if we're going to look at plrarticleshub.com, here's my homepage. The one thing that I always try to do when building links back to my site is I want to make sure that that anchor text link, meaning the hypertext link that's going to that page, matches the title tag on that page. So on my homepage, my title tag is PLR articles. Okay, so when I have a link come from another third-party site, I want to make sure that within that anchor text, within that link, I have the word PLR articles in that link text. So when it links to the page, when Google comes to a third-party site, so here's the third-party site where you're getting your link. So this is where the link is coming from, the third-party site. The hypertext link says PLR articles, and it links right to my home page. That link matches the title tag to this page. So when Google sees that link and follows it, says, okay, I'm going to follow this link. The page that I arrive on should have something to do with PLR articles. So that's the first thing you want to remember, is using good keyword-rich anchor text links. Now the second thing to remember, and this is important so you don't get penalized by Google and you do get the highest possible rankings in the search engines, is you want to randomize your link anchor text. So I would not want to build 1,000 backlinks to this page that just say PLR articles. I might want to have a link that says affordable PLR articles, customized PLR articles, original PLR articles. So you kind of get the point. You're going to want to randomize that text so you're not constantly using the same text in your anchor text links over and over again. That's a sure sign to Google that you're trying to manipulate the search engines in order to get this page to rank for this term. So remember, randomize it. Side note, I always say to use your keywords in your anchor text links. You want to mix in a couple of click here's, okay? Because that looks natural. A lot of people will link to your site that say click here. So if you mix in maybe 3 to 5% of click here's or go here, something like that, a different link that doesn't have your keywords, that'll look more natural to the search engines. Another good rule of thumb, and this is why I always stress keyword-rich domain names, because the name of my site is PLR Articles Hub. Anytime someone links to my site through my URL, those keywords are already in that link. So that's another good reason to have a keyword-rich URL. So far we covered using proper anchor text and then randomizing your anchor text links for the different words that you use. The third thing that you want to remember is you want to build deep internal links to your other subpages. So, for example, if we're looking at this site here, the home page is optimized for PLR articles, and then what we have is I have my category pages. So let's say my category page, I have one category page, it's called Hobby PLR Articles. I have another one that's Internet Marketing PLR Articles, and then I have one that's Holiday PLR Articles. So those are my categories. They cover a broad range. So of course in my anchor text I'm going to have Hobby PLR Articles, Internet Marketing PLR Articles, and then Holiday PLR Articles. So I'm also going to want to build links to these internal pages. So I would want links that say Hobby PLR Articles. Okay? So I want to build links to these pages. Again, following the same rules that we just talked about of using good keyword-rich anchor text and then randomizing to these pages. And then likewise on my subpages, I have the proper keyword, title tags. So we have Hobby PLR. On here might be Cycling PLR Articles, and this might be Bird Watching PLR Articles. For my Internet Marketing, I have Market Samurai PLR Articles and One Shopping Cart PLR Articles. I have SEO PLR Articles. So all of these subpages, we're also going to want to build links, randomizing the anchor text links into these pages so that we can build links within these pages. So those are really the three things that you want to keep in mind when building links to your website and creating a successful link profile for your website to get the highest possible rankings and to decrease any chances that Google will come along and see that your link profiles look unnatural and penalize your website. So if you enjoyed this episode, please be sure to leave a comment below the video. If you have any other topics that you would like me to cover in upcoming episodes, I'd really appreciate just leave those in the comment box as well. And this is Bill Parliament saying, now go dominate Google.